So we have no idea what we're doing.
Yeah, we really don't have any experience with painting stuff. So this is a great car to learn how to do it. We're getting ready to rhino-line it, or bedline it, whatever you want to call it. First, we gotta use some sandpaper, or it's not sand, what is this?
Scotch-Brite pad.
Scotch-Brite pad.
Scotch-Brite pad.
Scotch-Brite pad. Basically like soft sandpaper. So we're gonna go over all the body panels. Nice little wax on, wax off action. Thank you for that joke, Joe. Plan is, we're gonna roughen up the paint, we're gonna wash it off, and then we're gonna do the fun part. Spraying the crap out of it with bed liner. This thing's gonna look great.
Here we go.
So we don't want to piss off the neighbors by painting in the street, so we're gonna go take it to the boonies, right? Woo! All right, boys. I think this looks like a good spot to paint it. That way we won't get any streets or curbs. Bed lined, and it begins the transformation of the Geo.
To a badass.
To a badass?
To a badass.
Goodbye, puke green.
For those of you wondering why I'm holding upside down, it stops spraying about halfway through the can when you hold it upright for some reason. So the fix is hold it upside down.
Zach got some overspray on the taillight there. But yeah, it's looking pretty good so far.
It's called a smoked taillight.
It's called a what?
Very much. A smoked taillight.
Okay.
So this is what a piece of crap $800 Geo looks like after getting spray painted by 3 novice freaking guys that don't know what the hell they're doing.
Novice painters.
Novice painters.
Yep.
We got ourselves a custom novice garage paint job for, how much was it?
I think it was like $50.
$50.
Yeah, we got the interior clean. It's a lot better now. And we got the exterior painted. And next, it's time for light bars. It's gonna be fun, boys. And we gotta do a winch test video too.
Here.
Let's get it!
He won't make it very far.
He's not. He's gonna blow up.
Somebody call for an Uber?
I'm Rick James.
Gotta clean it up a little bit.
All right, so what are we doing today?
Today we are going to be installing the 32-inch LIGHtbar off of the old $1,000 Subaru that we used to have on the channel. This is the same one that I had on the Subaru. It still works great. It's very freaking bright. So today we're going to set it right about like that.
So if you're wondering where Gabe is, he is currently inside editing the video. He allowed us to basically install it wherever we want, so we chose there, because why not?
So we're going to be doing LIGHtbar and also a end zone keypad. Instead of an actual switch, you can just click the buttons on the keypad. It has 4 different channels. I was going to use this on the Jeep Big Red, and I was going to use that on Big Red as well, but then we got this thing and I was like, let's put it on this thing because it'll just look absolutely even more ridiculous than it already does.
Cue editing man's superpower.
So hopefully we don't drill like into something important.
If we do, we'll fix it.
Fix it. This is how you install a light bar within 5 minutes.
15-minute light bar install. So this is our little controller box that controls the light bar by turning on and off. On most of them, they have to do like a normal wiring harness for the light bar. On this one, this is the relay kit and everything else. So you hook this up and then put the leads to each light bar in each of these, and then hope that it reaches the antenna. So we're gonna go ahead and throw this on.
So basically, since we just need from a little bit of wire from here to there, in total literally less than like 4 feet of wire, instead of going to like AutoZone or Home Depot or Walmart to get 4 feet of wire, what we're actually going to do is we're going to use the car. Use some of the car's wiring and get the job done. The car has no airbags. The wiring for the airbags have been cut on both sides. So we really don't need that wire in the car, so I'm gonna get like 4 feet from the airbag harness. So this is the wire that I was talking about. Just gonna give a little 10 snip right here. Oh, thank you. Bam! You got yourself a little heat cover type deal. And then you got an installation of a light bar and a keypad deal for $0. We've literally spent $0 on this because I got that 2 years ago and I got that for my birthday present. No money spent on this installation. This is how cheap we are.
Moment of truth.
This light bar itself is on channel 1, but moment of truth. In 3, 2, 1.
Ah, it works! It works!
I blinded you.
Not really, I have sunglasses on for that reason.
Come look at the new light bar.
Look at the new to the car light bar.
I honestly don't know what to expect at this point. I really don't. You got the remote? Oh, fancy! The question is, what'd y'all use for the wiring? I gotta see that part.
This is good. So I want to see if you can recognize where it came from first, before we tell you.
Well, I'm gonna cheat a little bit because I think Zach came in and told me.
Did he?
Yeah, the airbag wire, right? Yeah.
Sorry, back.
You know, I honestly was expecting a lot worse. This actually isn't that bad, considering Zach was involved.
Wow, is that bad for me or good for him?
I don't know.
And see, it hasn't really, it has.
Wow.
That's the actual. Like,
so I can tell this half is Zach, this half is Joe. Got it.
This is all me. That's all my shit.
This is all his stuff.
This actually turned out pretty good. Like, look, you guys even, took in consideration, the distance the wire has to be apart for the hood to open up. You guys are so smarticles.
Yeah, totally.
He says that because it was me.
Gotcha.
It was already like that.
No, it wasn't. I did that.
That was already there.
I did that.
Are you sure?
It's on camera.
Okay.
Good job, boys.
They ain't never had the dedication.
What'd you hit? Oh, you hit that. Oh, shit, bro.
We heard screams and then dunk.